No. Yeah.
Potty, Fartwell and Knob. Bobby. Happy Helen Hovel. Where's that?
Typical Norfolk.
Geronimo Hornblow.
Ooh.
Fanny Moist.
Beautiful.
Fanny Pink.
Dick stiff. Fanny tight.
Where's
Dick slippery.
Fanny Shaves. The funny ones are the funniest. Fanny Dribble's the best. Nancy Fancy.
Sydney Kidney. I didn't realise these were all rhyming ones.
Rose.
I was like, God, they all rhyme.
That's what I was just... Danny Fanny. Richard Stoop Flute. Caroline Toilfoil.
Yeah.
Pig Leg. Thick McKay. Oh, thigh. Dick Vic. These are brilliant.
Pretty.
I don't understand this.
Female's called Nigel.
Flower power. Fucks Alert. Oh, fuck.
Fox Alert.
Holmes and Watson. That's funny. Quick lay.
Wanking. I'm sorry, but wang is just the funniest word. Oh, my lips are too dry.
Hey, do you want my comic?
No, I don't like it.
Marvel.
Fanny Mingle.
Hello. A pervert. The commentator. The commentator said, and here he is, he's opening up his hole and he's picking out a few good men.
Fanny Ferret. That's my favourite.
Fanny Ferret. Fanny Elephant's a good one. Ooh, Elephant Fanny. Donkey. Oh, so easy.
You're like, Don King.
That's his name, Don
Who's that?
Key. Some slut. That is one name. It's worth Picasso's.
Oh, lol.
Oh lol. Oh lol. Oh lol. Oh lol. Oh lol. Fine here, please, if there's room.
Silly trollop.
Mary Drippy Tilly.
These are good. These are good.
Drippy.
Mm.
Drippy. Drippy. Drippy.
Mary.
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 Mary. Mary. Oh
lol.
oh lol.
I've got an itchy face. There's a Crusoe Robinson. Like Robinson Crusoe. That man, I don't actually know any other
No, I only know it from that little rhyme.
There's a rhyme.
Maybe
I
it's
don't know
not.
why, I just know his name. I don't know.
What was it? There was
Robinson.
Bonnie Bonnie. No, it's not. It's not. Crusoe. It's not him. Bonnie Bobby Shafto. That's it. Same thing. Oh! What were you watching? I think it was Simpsons. Someone worked on it. His surname was Cunsack.
Do you think I could put eyeliner on my eyebrows and pretend I've got black eyebrows? You have a radio on.
It's the only radio in the house.
There was music in the back, in the other room.
It's not yellow and full of little men.
What that actually is, it's dead TB cells, lymphocytes, they're also known. Macrophages.
There's a cat down there.